Welcome to my YouTube channel, Boss Ozu. In this video, I'll be sharing an update with you about a particular survey survey website called Opiday. Opiday is an aggregator survey website. They don't have their own survey. What they do is that they link to other survey platforms. So they create survey from other places, different places, then give it to their users to do. Their survey is easy, unlike Prime Opinion, Five Survey. Their survey is quite easy because less people are on this platform. So there is no way you will not see survey to do. You always see survey to do, and there is less screen out. There is less screen out there. You always find survey there. There are less people. As you can see, there are 6 million panelists. Currently, there are 6 million panelists, and they are in many countries of the world. You can do it in UK. You can also do it in USA too. They pay with gift card, with vouchers. You can get visa from them. You can get different kind of, you can get this iStore gift card, this Soul gift. You can get different kind of gift card from them. As soon as your account reaches 1,000 points, you can redeem for visa gift card or any other gift card that is there. So this is Opiday. I don't think they have a website. I don't think they have app currently. I don't think they have app. What I do is to use my Brave browser to do their survey. You can register using Brave browser since Brave browser is secure, so you don't need to worry about not being downloading the app. You can use Brave browser for that. So let's check their customer review and let's check their customer review here on Trustpilot. As you can see, they currently have 4.3 star review from 1K review. They have 4.3 star. As you can see, Opiday does not have much customer like that. They don't have much user like that. In fact, this 6 million you see here, that I don't think is up to that. That 6 million you see here is not up to that. So they have 4.3 star review, and from 1K people, from 1,000 people. Definitely the website is good. It's good. This is in 2025. How they get experience using Opiday, blah blah blah. This transparency, the survey are mind blowing. I think the whole system is fine, blah 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 to stuff. See, it is a good survey platform. Yeah, there is Naira here, which tell you that Opiday also have a panel in Nigeria. They have panel in Nigeria, so you might not even use VPN or anything to do their survey. Since they have panel here, but mind you, it might take you eternity before you can withdraw. As you all know, Nigeria doesn't have much survey. How many brands can you point to that do survey in Nigeria? So don't open Nigerian account if you really want to make money from the website. But if you just want to play with it, you can go ahead and open Nigerian accounts. Then if you are using UK or US account, make sure you use strong VPN or even proxy, because they will detect if you use rubbish VPN. They will detect and they will terminate your account, or they might not let you do survey. So make sure you use correct VPN or proxy for it. Let me see what again I need to tell you before you. That is all about that. Yes, let me show you this. As I said earlier, that they get survey from another platform, then they give it to their users to do. They get survey from Synth, from CPX. If you have been doing survey before, you're familiar with this survey platform. Synth, CPX, Lucid, Toluna, Pure Spectrum, Dynata. This is where they get their survey from. So any survey you will do on this platform, it will be from these 6 platforms. And sometimes they get survey from individuals too. What I know about this platform is that there is no way you will not see survey to do per day. There is no way. This is how their dashboard look like. There's no way you won't see survey to do. That is that about Opiday. Go ahead and register with correct details. Don't use personal that that won't receive survey. If you want to receive survey from this platform, make sure you use something like age between 18 to 35. 18 to 35 is okay. You will see survey to do. So that is that about Opiday. Don't forget to share, likes, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.